Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Got a lot of work done today, but not as much as I wanted on this. I had to do some re-engineering as usual. Now these cabinet doors are just propped up there, and I've got to do some cutting. But what I do is I get an overall measurement and take a little bit off one side, a little bit off this one, and to get them even to where they'll rock back and forth. And I may put a piece of wood in behind there to where they'll close up against it, or a little piece right down here at the bottom that's not in the way. That's what I'll do. Okay, just re-engineered that. But as you can see, I used some trees I had, and I had to do away with the drawers. They're just going to be for decoration. But what I'm going to do, I've got my top made, and I curved off the back part and this part so when I'm walking around it I won't hit myself. But I've got my hinges ready to go, but I'm going to put a cubby hole in here, and the cubby hole will be right about there, and it'll serve the same purpose as the drawers, and I'll just have a lot more space in there. What I'm going to do here is probably put me another tree or a piece of barn board. And I'll probably put barn board in there, because with that being barn board, I'd rather it kind of not match, where it would kind of make the other one pop. But I've been busy today. I had to take and put runners. You can see there, there, and there. All those have been glued and screwed. And all of these, I took my biscuit joiner and joined every one of these boards. Now I'm going to sand this off. I'm not worried about how rough this is. When things hopefully get back to normal at some point, I might get me a little piece of linoleum and put up here. And I'm going to get back here with a little upright where I can hang my tools. And that way when I open it, they'll just lay up against that, and it'll be all right. Now I'm still going to put the racks on this side. Well, it'll be on this wall here to hold the paint cans and stuff like that. I was wanting 2 shelves down here, but I don't think I'm going to get 2 shelves. I'm going to get the little cubby hole, and I have one big space down here, and that'll be about it. And because I need to get this thing filled up and where I can get my shop squared away. I carried off trash yesterday to get my 2 big barrels where I can have them. I don't have that much stuff to throw away. It's just I need to reorganize is the problem. And hence this is going to help me do that. But I'm kind of liking how that front turned out. And I may eventually, like that edge right there, I may eventually find another piece of wood and cut it and put that up there. That's what I did right there. I just cut it and put it on there. And I just want it to look different. And I may take, and I'm thinking these doors need something on them. Give me some ideas on the doors, what to do with those. And if I leave them plain, or do I do something? I want to know. But I am done for the day. And I've been out here going pretty good on this, and there's a lot of little small work, and that's what takes so much time, and you have to make sure everything's cut right, and so I've got all that, and I may finish it up tomorrow. I'm not sure. I've got a run. I've got to run to Walmart tomorrow. I don't really need to, but I need to get out of here for a little bit. I went out to take the trash out or to the dump yesterday, and I thought I was on vacation. I was sightseeing. I've only seen those roads who knows how many hundred thousands of times. But I'll probably go to Walmart, and I'll be back in quarantine for another 2 months. But give me some ideas on these bottom doors. Tell me what you think. And I've got an order for one of these already. Was texted the measurements, And the individual shall remain nameless, as that's how I conduct business. But if you read some of the text or the comments, you'll see who's getting this. And I had to make it lower, or either make a box where she could stand on it to reach the top. I probably shouldn't have said that. I will hear about it. But anyway, I'm making it just out of regular tin, and all that money will be going to the cat fund, buying food for the ferals that I'm feeding out in the wild. And so they'll be eating good, and they'll get fed regardless. I just figured I'd use that money for them. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.